So, my one and only elder sister got married this February, and if you don't know that, you should follow me on Instagram. But Didi and Jijaji are staying in Delhi right now, and I wanted to visit them for so long. So, returning from Manali, I did not miss the opportunity and crashed right to their place for a few days, or maybe more than a few days. Anyways, let's just get into the video.
One, two, three.
I'm sure you all must have seen this big massive statue of Hanumanji in the movies or somewhere, but I just couldn't capture it because it was 5 in the morning and I was barely in my senses. But I still tried. So without any more buck, let's just get right into the vlog. And the first thing that I want to do while I was in Delhi was to go to Sarojini Nagar. I mean, obviously. And Didi did just that for me, and she took me to Sarojini Nagar when it was her off day from office.
ले लो ना 100 रुपये
ये वही दुकान है जरूर आपके सब लोग आती So I was just so excited to just see that Sarojini Nagar board because it has been such a dream, I would say. And the bhaiyas vendors were going crazy. Just you can hear in the last clip. We also had this boiled bhutta, which apparently is only sold in Delhi. Like the last time that I visited, I ate this, and now that I'm eating it, and I have not seen it anywhere else. Like they boil the whole thing. So my Didi's feet are so big, we could not get her some decent shoes, but we got her a cute bathrobe and some other stuff. And I and her shopped so much and so well, and I wanted to shoot the clip showing you all of the things that we got from Sarojini, and I've been procrastinating to shoot that since I was in Delhi, and now I've kept half of the stuff in Bhopal, so I cannot shoot it. So I'm sad about it, but you will get to see me using those things in the further videos, and I'll tell you then what I've got. And now it's just two sisters talking their way through life. Like my relationship with my Didi has grown so much over the years, and now we both have so much to share to each other whenever we meet. Like we just keep talking, and it has been just like that one friend, you know, you meet after a long time and then you share all of the life updates at once, and that is how our relationship is right now, and I'm so proud of it. And yeah, and just we took a just a tanga ride to home then, and we ordered some food because we were so tired to cook. She was actually more tired, and yeah, that was the day. So इतनी गर्मी थी ना दिल्ली में कि we only went out in the evening. So I was just looking for some places, and on her next day off, I told Didi that there is some light and sound show that happens in the Lal Killa. So we just decided to go there. Or rather, get ready in pretty kurtas and then go to the Lal Killa. Because why not? Now Neha Didi's good friend Pushpa Didi, whom even I know quite well now, joined us on the way, and I was quite excited to see her because I have not seen her in a long time. And we went to see the light and sound show inside the Lal Killa, and it was quite beyond our expectations. I mean, it was live dances and acts and everything, you know, and it was really good. I've attached a few clips. Aage, please enjoy yourselves.
ये लाल किला और ये दीवाने आम ये सभी आने वाले हर दिन में हर शख्स को आपकी शान और शौकत की याद दिलाएंगे।
शहंशाह सलामत रहे, मुबारक हो ये लाल किला।
जाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए। नेहा दीदी, लुक एट द सोल्जर्स, उनमें वो लेडीज भी हैं। So after the Lal Killa, we thought of going to the famous Parathe Wali Gali spontaneously, and while just moving across the streets of Chandni Chowk, we decided to eat some chaat, and then we saw the gorgeous Gurudwara Shishganj Sahib in Chandni Chowk, and I'm so humbled by the ways of the Gurudwara. I mean, I'm just so obsessed with Gurudwaras lately.
वीर सिंह जी रवि अखंड के नेजर था लुधियाने वाले जो कि आप जी बहुत ही प्यार बख्शे उन्होंने ते बहुत प्यारा जत्था आप जी दे सीसा नाल चलने वाला जत्था।
I was just so amazed looking at these big machines they were using to make langar, and then we just waited to have some kadha and prasad and langar prasad, and we just had that, and then finally, of course, we went to the Parathe Wali Gali, but we were so full that we did not eat anything. And these ladies showed me the place where the Parathe Wali Gali is. We went to the shop, but we did not eat anything because we were so full, and yeah, that was it. But this day was so spontaneous and so exciting. I enjoyed it thoroughly. And then we again talked our ways like sisters and went home. हम बना रहे हैं साबूदाने की खिचड़ी जिसमें खजूर की कोई हेल्प नहीं है। घी भर रही हूँ मैं। क्या करूँगी? आलू भी काट सकती थी मैं, लेकिन आपने काट ही लिए। यू आर बीइंग सच अ गुड सिस्टर। ओ माय गॉड। What is your favorite color? Vicky Kaushal color. What is Vicky Kaushal color? Perfect. बना रही हूँ नेहा दीदी अपनी बहन के लिए। ये देखो कड़ी पत्ता भी आ गया मेरे पास। मेरे मजे चल रहे हैं गाइस, ये देखो। अच्छा निकाल लोगी, ऊपर से डालेंगे। Stay away little girl. क्यों नहीं बोलता? Favorite part. देख रहे हो नेहा दीदी के सुंदर हाथ। Final product, you guys. Let's go meet my friend from Neat Times. So while I was preparing for NEET, I took this online thing for organic chemistry and they made this Telegram group and I made a friend there, Abhinav, who is from Gorakhpur, and this was the first time that I was meeting him after 4 long years of friendship online, and we used to be really great friends while NEET and we helped each other out really well that time. And he was really busy that day because of some thing, and I really wanted to meet him, so did he. So I went to meet him on my own, for which he should be grateful because it was more than a 1.5 hour way and I traveled alone. Now this was also the first time that I was traveling alone in metro, and that too on a very long route, like I changed stations twice. But once I got how to use metro, it was really fun to just figure it out on my own. Now these footsteps, colorful footsteps, really helped me while using metro initially. And then I just got hungry and got some sweet corn for myself, and then I just met him and we had some chit chat about our colleges and everything, catching up about the stuff that has been happening in our colleges. And then he just came back to drop me halfway. And then I went home and it was really nice meeting him.
सैमसंग का टैब क्यों लिया तुमने? आईपैड से अच्छा नहीं हो. बाय.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
I had an early morning train and Didi came along to drop me, and it was a really amazing time in Delhi. I had all my fun in Delhi, and all thanks to my really amazing, my bestest Neha Didi, and also my Jija ji. And we had some really delicious poha. If you want to find poha in Delhi, it is there on the Nizamuddin railway station. You can get it there. And yeah, that was how my journey ended there in Delhi. And I really enjoyed this trip. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more vlogs. Bye.